Buongiorno e benvenuti. I'm Stefanie Smith from Lionard Luxury Real Estate, and I'm here today to show you this exclusive apartment for sale in Florence. Check it out! Today we are in Florence, a city which is beloved internationally, home to landmarks such as Ponte Vecchio, the Duomo and the Cappella del Brunelleschi, and Palazzo Pitti with the Giardini di Boboli that cover 4 hectares of land. However, Florence is not only about landmarks. Here you can appreciate a true culinary experience thanks to a large range of restaurants where you can find typical Tuscan dishes paired with fantastic wines. And speaking of wine, Florence is only a few kilometers away from Greve in Chianti. I can't wait to show you the apartment that we are about to see. It is right between Piazza Duomo and Piazza Santissima Annunziata. It has a super central location. However, it is perfectly connected to every service one could ever need. Welcome to this extraordinary 450 square meter apartment. We are on the first floor of a historical palazzo. The apartment has been recently and thoroughly renovated, as we can immediately see from the high quality of the finishes, furnishings, and materials. Speaking of furnishings, each piece was customized for the space. In fact, they show a great craftsmanship. This apartment is developed on 1 floor and can be used as 1 single unit. However, it is already predisposed to be divided into 2 separate and completely independent apartments. Continuing straight down the hallway with these beautiful frescoes and wooden floors is a first living area, passing by a guest bathroom. This first living room hosts a lounge area and adjacent dining area. If we look up, we have gorgeous wooden covered ceilings that have been hand-painted, and these are original to the palazzo. The choice of adding touches of color really brings the space to life. However, the true gem of this room is the access onto the balcony. What did I tell you? Is this a gem or what? Just look at the view. It feels as if we could actually touch the Duomo. The apartment has an amazing location. It is super central and ideal for those that really want to live the city. The living room connects to a first bedroom. This gorgeous and spacious suite maintains the same hardwood floors as the rest of the apartment. Also here we have beautiful frescoed ceilings. And as mentioned, all the furniture throughout the apartment is customized for each space. The apartment enjoys a lot of natural light thanks to the large windows, and that is not a feature to take for granted in the center of Florence. From here, we can connect to a second suite. This second suite has beautiful frescoed ceilings that date back to the 1800s. The room looks onto the back of the property, which ensures complete privacy. And it has a double ensuite bathroom, a first with rain shower and marble details, while the second was created to maintain the marble sink, which is original to the palazzo. Each room throughout the property has its own AC unit, so you can enjoy the perfect temperature all year round. Here is the first of two kitchens. The dark colors of the cabinets and the countertop is a beautiful contrast with the light colors of the tiles on the floor and backsplash. The kitchen has its own dining area where one can enjoy more informal meals. And from here, we have access onto the internal courtyard. We are now back in the hallway. And if one wanted, as mentioned, this part of the house could actually become a separate and independent apartment. However, if you'll follow me, let's check out the rest. We are now in the heart of the apartment. This room is unique throughout the whole palazzo because it is the only one to still have its original floor-to-ceiling frescoes in perfect condition. During the mid-16th century, the whole piano nobile of the palazzo belonged to Bernardo Buontalenti, which was a famous Florentine sculptor and architect that was part of the court of the Medici family. Today, we can still see some of his works, for example, the internal decorations of Palazzo Pitti, the Grotta del Buontalenti in the Giardino di Boboli, where we find the Prigionieri di Michelangelo, and he also worked on the expansion of Palazzo Vecchio in Piazza della Signoria and the Galleria degli Uffizi. This space is shared between a spacious sitting area, which is ideal for relaxing and simply taking in all the beauty that this apartment has to offer. And on the opposite side is a dining area that is well connected to the perfectly equipped designer kitchen. From this room, we can access a guest bathroom and the laundry room, but also the second independent access to the apartment. Adjacent is a first queen-size bedroom on this side of the floor, which has its own ensuite bathroom. Here is a further example of the beauty of the craftsmanship of the customized furnishings. The room is ideal either for one's guests or for a service quarter to give them further independence. In fact, if one wanted, even though at the moment it is closed off, there is a possibility to reopen an independent entrance. From this main room, we flow straight into a second living area. This cozy living area is filled with natural light. It has its own AC unit, and the room is decorated by these beautiful wooden covered ceilings that have been hand painted with light and neutral colors. From this room, we can connect to the second queen-size bedroom on this side of the floor. The second bedroom enjoys beautiful frescoed ceilings and has its own ensuite bathroom. However, the true gem is the second balcony. So just think of waking up every morning and enjoying the view over the Duomo. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed yourself as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I can't wait to see what you thought of this exclusive apartment for sale in Florence. On that note, ciao!